What up, what up, what up? All right, guys, I'm going to make a video real quick on Bitcoin's 200 weekly moving average. If you guys watch my previous videos, I've talked about the 200 weekly moving average quite often. We're now working on 4 straight weeks closing above it. And recently today, we just came down, got real close to it. So $23,052 is what the 200 weekly moving average is. And we came down to 23,187 within $130. So real close to it. It's a good long-term bullish signal. If we can stay above this, keep getting weekly candles closing above it, and then we'll eventually probably continue up and rallying for the rest of the year. We just spent roughly a month, just over a month, trading below it, and we've only ever had 12 weeks where we closed weekly candles below the 200 weekly. The last time we actually closed below it, broke above it, and then fell below it, which could happen this time, was way back here in 2015. But the good thing is that only happened for a few short weeks before we eventually continued to new all-time highs. I think what's going to happen, though, if we do fall below it, I don't think it's going to be this type of situation where we just kind of chop around for a few more weeks and then break out and eventually go to new all-time highs. I think if it happens this time, is if we fall below it, there's going to be massive fear that comes back in the crypto markets. And I think we could fall back down to the lows we saw a few months ago and maybe potentially put in a double bottom at that 17,500 area, potentially price move back down, find another bottom, and then eventually break out, and maybe early next year where we might maybe start to see some new all-time highs. But if we hold this, I think bulls like myself, it's just going to be another buy signal to keep holding and accumulating their position and enjoy the next cycle when it happens. If this area doesn't hold as well, next area, maybe before that double bottom happens, would be on the monthly. If you look at the 50 monthly in the past, we've only ever spent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months ever touching it. This is our first month where we haven't come down to it over the last 2. So if we can get a nice close above this 22,000 area, that's going to be a good another buy signal on the monthly as well. All right, keep an eye out for 23,000. After that 22,000, if that doesn't hold, look out below 17,000 we go. Peace.